Hello and welcome to Point of View. This is a first for me, a review on the ice track. This is no regular A4, this is the Quattro version of the 2-liter diesel, 130 kilowatts. Although I'm not on studded tires, this is still fun. There is some water coming through, unfortunately, but don't worry, it's still safe. I have basically zero traction, and look what this idiot did. Hey. Anyway, this car. This is a 2012 A4. Not much equipment, nothing to mention really. In this cold climate, heated seats, sports seats, manual gearbox. No DSG here, just a solid manual gearbox. Sorry if I don't talk, I kinda have my hands full. It's hard to talk, you know. This car does 0 to 60 in 7.8 seconds, which is quite quick. And since this is a Quattro version, it can do it basically anywhere it wants. Whoops, somebody crashed. This is a lake, don't mind that. Just scamper through here, no problem. The paint job on this car is quite nice. This is volcano red, quite a special paint job. The grip is not that bad for... I have winter tires, but they aren't studded, so... This is a lake again. This is quite fun, actually. The car seats 4 people. This is the sedan version. Estate is also available. Would I get this engine if I had the choice? Actually, you know what? Why the hell not? For a diesel, it's really not that rattly. It's super economical, and with the all-wheel drive combo Quattro, it's a really great car. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. This was a different kind of review. If you like it, please share, like and subscribe, of course. There will be new videos coming soon. Thank you. Bye bye.